Hello everyone and welcome to the Hustlery how-to videos. So I'm going to start making these little short explainer and demonstration videos to actually help you guys use Hustlery efficiently and unlock the full power of all of its amazing features, because there's so many. I know it gets confusing and I know it gets overwhelming, and you don't know exactly which features to use for what purpose inside of your business. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys one of our amazing new features that we added for your convenience. And by the end of this video, you will actually be able to build a fully fledged website with zero design experience in minutes. And this feature is the AI website builder. So let's quickly have a look at it. You will be on your dashboard like this. Normally you'd land on this dashboard over here, but you can go to sites on the left over here. Then you select websites, and then you will see a little button at the top right here that says build with AI. I know it says beta over there, which means it's not 100% ready yet, but it is already amazing and it already does a brilliant job. It's only going to get better from here. So you can click on that little button over there, give it a second to load, and you will see a dashboard like this pop up. As it says ask AI, and then it says start creating your web page. So there's two ways to do this. There is a simpler way to do it, and then a little bit more complicated but a little bit more specialized way to do it. So I'm going to show you both ways. First, you're going to name the page of your website. So let us use an example, an aesthetic clinic, a beauty aesthetic clinic, because that is a lot of our clients, and we are going to start focusing on that industry a little bit more and helping those ladies or men grow their beauty businesses to its fullest potential. So the name of this website is going to be home page my aesthetic clinic, for instance. Select the niche, let's say beauty, and it's going to be beauty and wellness. Your goal is to book appointments, because that is the main goal of a beauty website, book appointments. And your target audience will be individuals, consumers, and you are offering, let us say, product or service package. Then you say customize, you select your language, English, tone. Let's make it luxury premium. Define layout. The color palette, you're going to go and choose your color palette. Let us say soft pastels in this case, and playful font. Just a quick tip, I would recommend doing a brand CI document so that you have clarity and consistency about your brand, which fonts needs to be used, which colors needs to be used, what's your image styling, what is your messaging, just so that all your marketing material is uniform throughout the whole client journey, so that there's no inconsistencies. Image style over here, and I actually have a wonderful tool to do that. I'm quickly going to show you guys, because I don't want to take up too much time of this video. It is this Love Art tool over here. I love using it. Also AI based, but you prompt it and it gives you a fully fledged brand CI document with all the necessary information. But back to the focus of this video. The image style is going to be, let us do photographic or realistic, and the layout will be, let us just say minimal clean. The spacing will be spacious, or let's say default, and borders, let's just leave it default. And then you say generate, and you'll see the AI starts thinking about your website and what to do, plans its next moves, and then creates like a little to-do list. And the wonderful thing about this website builder is it also does SEO optimization while building your website. It adds the metadata, very technical term, for Google to read, to actually find your website quickly if your website answers someone's question or whatever someone is searching on Google, so that your website ranks a little bit higher organically without you having to pay Google to put your website first. It's just so that your clients find you easier, or that potential clients who might be looking for your services or similar services to yours can find your website quickly. So as you can see, it generates the copy as well, which is lovely. And it designs all of your sections for you. It actually generates some photos as well. You can go and change these photos to your own. There's a nice hero section with a heading, subheading, book an appointment now button, our philosophy of elegance, well-written copy, little sections like this with exclusive beauty treatments, the services that you provide, a review section here from our happy clients. I do recommend putting real testimonials in there. We don't want to falsely advertise our reviews. And then a little visual as well of the interior of your clinic. And then here is the full packages that is available in your business. You can obviously go and change these details to be specific to your business and your products or services. And then again, book your appointment today, call to action, prompting the client to take action on your website and not just browse around. It also has a little get in touch section like this to collect clients' details so that you can continuously market to them if they accept marketing material. Very, very important for POPIA compliance. I just integrated a basic form over here. You can go and edit that form if you wanted to with our form builder, but I'll do that in a next video to show you guys how to create a nice form. And then also there is a section for frequently asked questions. Very important to give your client the information that they need, because sometimes clients are ready to buy, they just need that extra little information or their questions answered to take the necessary step or the next step towards becoming a paying client. Get in touch section, as I said, with the form, and then very important in your footer, your privacy policy, terms of use, and then the copyright little section over there, and an email so that they can contact you. You can also put different links to different pages, you can put your number, etc. And then you can also insert at the top over here a navigation bar if you want to have a multi-page website, which I do recommend. Normally you have like a home page, an about me page, a services page to give your clients a bit more information about the services you provide, and then maybe for the beauty industry, very good page to have is your portfolio or previous work done, so the clients can see the work that you've done. Build trust with your clients. Navigation, and then you put that navigation menu over there, and then a contact me page lastly, with any way that they can contact you, links to your socials, your WhatsApp number, your email, and then a lead form to actually for them to request that you contact them back. So there you have it, guys. All the sections are laid out nicely, photos are generated. Again, you can go and change these photos for your own if you wanted to, insert real photos like this if you wanted to through your media storage section. You can upload photos as well like this. I'm not going to do that right now. And you can also go and edit the text if you wanted to. Let's just say test. That's just to give you guys an example of how you can edit it. You can rearrange sections if you wanted to by clicking it and dragging it. That is why this is called a drag and drop builder. You can go and change the background colors if you wanted to of something like that. Over here on the right hand side in the toolbar, let's make this one purple just for the sake of this video, for the sake of playing around. Again, you can change the text color as well. Like this is not showing nicely now, you go there, then you make it black for instance. There you go, now it's nice and legible. And like I said, you can go and rearrange sections as well, swap these two around for instance, etc. You can go and move this one up if you wanted to. You can go and design and edit this to your heart's desire, to whatever suits your business or whatever your creative mind tells you to do. Okay, so that is the easy way of building with this AI builder, where you actually put all the details in and then it generates the website page for you. And also, as you would have noticed, I said website page. So this AI is used to build one page at a time, not to build a fully fledged multi-page website in one shot. You would have to build each page in and of its own, and then you connect it all through this nav bar over here like this by saying like go to page, whatever the case may be, etc. Then save it. Cool. So that's the easy way. Let me guys show you a more intricate way of building with the AI website builder. So you're going to go to ChatGPT or your Gemini or whichever AI you use, and then you can say something like this. Please build me a professional looking beauty aesthetic website. Have a hero section with a photo that has the founder in it or the clinic in it. Then make sure that it is optimized for conversions throughout the homepage, and make sure that the copy resonates with the target audience for beauty aesthetic clinics. Make sure that the design and sections is nice and structured and professionally laid out, and also make sure to include an FAQ section and a lead form section to collect client details. You're going to prompt the AI like this. That's just a rough example. Let's just say it has to do English, create me a master prompt. Then it'll give you a master prompt like this one over here. There you go. Then you copy this master prompt if it is finished. It's just busy generating it still. You'll see it gives design requirements, output requirements, etc. Then you just copy this whole prompt. You go back into your Hustlery dashboard, and then let's go back quickly. Say add new page, or actually let's just start completely over, build with AI. And then instead of filling in your details like we did in the previous website page, you go to build over here where it has the little conversation tab, and then you just paste your prompt, your master prompt over there. And then you say start, and again it thinks a little bit, reads your prompt, understands what you want, generates all the sections, the copy, the SEO titles, the SEO metadata, the visuals, and then it starts working on all of these to-dos. So while it's busy generating your website page, I'm quickly going to show you guys an example of a website page that I built completely with this AI website builder of Hustlery. You'll see this is Sophistatic Clinic. It is one of our wonderful clients. Charlie Ordon is the owner, and this is her web page, her homepage of her website. Nice reviews over here. Another feature I'll show you guys in a later video. About me page, services page, portfolio page, and a book now page, and a contact page. And then in the book now page, it takes you straight through to a calendar to actually book a slot with her. So yeah, that is the professional websites that you can build with this website. And this I've actually built in this way by prompting it with ChatGPT, building a master prompt and then reading it in. There you go, guys. As you can see, it followed my prompt exactly. Very structured, very professional, well-written copy, some client testimonial videos or before and after photos. Please do go and change these photos with your own real client photos. It just builds better credibility. Don't use these AI generated photos unless it's like a generic photos like this. But when you're speaking about client results, use real photos, please. It just builds credibility and trustworthiness. Again, a section where you can insert a form if you wanted to, an FAQ section, frequently asked questions section, links to my socials, my newsletter, contacts, and then the copyright little section down there. So yeah, there you guys have it, a professionally built website using our new AI website building tool. And it is very, very important, I forgot to say this, But it is very important to make sure that your website is mobile optimized. And you can do this by toggling up here between desktop mode and mobile mode. The AI actually does optimize it for mobile, but it is a good idea to just check and make sure that everything looks fine on mobile. Because sometimes things look a bit funny on mobile, it stretches or it compresses, images don't display correctly. So just toggle between the two modes, desktop and mobile, to make 100% sure that it looks correct on both the different views. So that is that for the website builder. If you guys have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can do this by going to this little green button at the bottom right of your Hustlery dashboard where it says, "Hi there, how can we help?" So we have live support agents from 9 to 5 every single day, from Monday to Friday, that can help you with anything that you struggle with. If you want to link your website or you're struggling to edit something on the website, you can either chat with us here on live tech support, live chat, or you can actually book a call in the Beyond the Basics tab over there, where you can book a slot with us for a quick 30-minute call if you want to know more about a certain feature, or you just quickly want some assistance with one of the features inside of Hustlery. We are always here to help you, and we are with you every step of the way to help your business grow and reach its full potential. The rest of our videos is also available on this YouTube channel over here, and you will definitely be seeing more of these Hustlery how-to videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below to let us know what you would like to see next and what interests you the most of Hustlery. Cheers. Check you in the next one.